Which of the following is a non-absorbable suture material? Option A, polypropylene, Vicryl, catgut and polydioxazone. So here the answer for this question is polypropylene. Okay, let us go for the discussion. The sutures, broadly you can divide the sutures into non-absorbable suture material and absorbable suture material. In non-absorbable, again there is two classification, one is natural and another one is synthetic. So natural, there are two materials are there, one is silk, another one is linen. Silk and linen. And if you take synthetic, there are four examples are there. Number one is polypropylene, the brand name is Prolene. Polyamide, the brand name is Ethylon. Polyester, that is Ethibond. And finally nylon. These are all non-absorbable synthetic material. And absorbable, there are two types are there. One is natural and another one is synthetic. Natural, you got the catgut. Okay, so it is a plain catgut or chromic catgut. And synthetic, again the four examples are there. Polyglycolic acid, the brand name is Dexon. Polyglactin, brand name is Vicryl. And polydioxazone, that is PDS, and polyglycocapron. So this is these are all examples of synthetic absorbable material. So I just give some clue to find how will you identify the suture material. Suppose intraoperatively somebody is having the suture material, you want to find out. These are some clues. Okay, so just to put the suture material along with the colors. Okay, for example, this is the example of, that is a silk is an example of non-absorbable and natural material which is black in color. And polypropylene, which is an example of non-absorbable synthetic material which is blue in color. And chromic catgut, which is an absorbable and natural material which is brown in color. Vicryl, which is absorbable and synthetic variant which is violet in color. Okay, so with that I will show some pictures of the suture material. Okay, so these are some pictures. Here you can able to see this is the violet color, that is the Vicryl. Okay, this is a Vicryl material. Okay, and this one is the polypropylene, and this one is the ethylon. Okay, ethylon, that is the polyamide. Which of the following is an absorbable suture? Here the options are polyester, polyglactin, silk and polypropylene. Okay, so just now we discussed polyester is a non-absorbable material. Silk and polypropylene are non-absorbable material. The option B, that is polyglactin, which is otherwise called as Vicryl, that is the absorbable suture material. Okay, so this is all straightforward questions. Okay, so with that we'll go to the next question. Catgut, question number 3. Catgut is preserved in. This is also again a straightforward question. So you know the answer, that is option B, isopropyl alcohol. No need for any explanation. Next question. Catgut is prepared from submucosal layer of intestine of what? That is cat, sheep, man and rabbit. Again this is also a straightforward question, that is the answer is sheep. So we are going to discuss what is this catgut. Okay, what is the catgut? Has got two types. Okay, what do you mean by catgut? Catgut, which is nothing but it is an collagen. Okay, it is an collagen. It arises from the submucosa of the sheep intestine. Okay, there are two types are there. One is called plain, another one is chromic. What is chromic catgut? Chromic catgut is nothing but the plain catgut will be tanned with chromium salts, which helpful in avoiding the degradation of this suture in the tissues. Okay, How it is absorbed? So there are two mechanisms. One is called phagocytosis and another one is called enzymatic degradation. By these two processes, this material will go for absorption. So number 4, the tensile strength. If you talk about tensile strength, here the 50% of tensile strength, it will be loosed in over a period of 3 days, and the remaining 50% will be totally, it will lose over a period of 15 days. And the absorption period, that is 90 days. Over a period of 90 days, this suture material will be absorbed. And this is the final one, is the isopropyl alcohol, that is the preservative used in catgut. Okay, so that's all about the catgut. Next, we are going to discuss about other questions. Only 2 more questions are there. Which of the following is a delayed absorbable synthetic suture material? Okay, I will go for the option. Okay, so just now you discussed that catgut, chromic catgut 60 days. Okay, and Vicryl is also an absorbable synthetic material, whereas chromic catgut is an absorbable natural material. This silk, nylon and all non-absorbable material. So option C and D already ruled out. Only 2 options. That to chromic catgut, it is an absorbable natural material having absorption rate around 60 days. Vicryl, usually it will have the absorption rate will be around 90 days. Okay, so that's why it's called a delayed absorbable synthetic suture material. The answer is Vicryl, option B, Vicryl. Okay, so the next question. Vicryl, the commonly used suture material, is a what type of material? Again, this is also a straightforward question. It is a copolymer. It is a copolymer of the glycolide and lactide. Okay, it is a copolymer of glycolide and lactide. So these are all straightforward questions, no need for any explanation. If you read directly, you can answer for these questions. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about something about the Vicryl. Okay, what is Vicryl? Vicryl is a material called, Vicryl is just a brand name. Okay, it is a brand name, but original pharmacological name is the polyglactin. Original pharmacological name is polyglactin, and it is a braided multifilament. That means 2 or 3 threads together and forming a multifilament, braided multifilament. It is a copolymer. It is basically a copolymer of lactide and glycolide. Okay, it is a copolymer of the lactide and glycolide. And if you see the tensile strength, it is 60%. It will be there up to 2 weeks, and the next consecutive 3 weeks only 30% of tensile strength will be there. And this absorption rate already discussed, that is 90 days. And this is the mechanism. In synthetic material, the mechanism is absorption mechanism is by hydrolysis.